Welcome to this beginner-friendly introduction to data analysis using artificial intelligence. In today's world, data is everywhere, from the information we generate on social media to the numbers recorded in business transactions, healthcare, and scientific research. But raw data alone is not enough. We need to analyze it to extract meaningful insights. This is where data analysis comes in. It helps us understand patterns, make predictions, and drive better decision-making. Traditionally, data analysis required significant manual effort, mathematical skills, and programming knowledge. However, with the rise of artificial intelligence, even those with minimal technical expertise can now analyze complex datasets with ease. AI-powered tools can automate data processing, detect trends, and generate valuable insights in a fraction of the time it would take a human analyst. Further in the video, we will explain some sample prompts to execute on ChatGPT and other AI chatbots, so keep watching all the way through to get the most out of it. Before we dive into how AI assists in data analysis, let's first establish a basic understanding of what data analysis is. At its core, data analysis is the process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data to discover useful information, make informed conclusions, and support decision-making. It involves different techniques, including descriptive analysis, diagnostic analysis, predictive analysis, and prescriptive analysis. Descriptive analysis helps summarize past data, such as calculating averages or identifying trends. Diagnostic analysis goes a step further by examining the causes behind certain patterns or events. Predictive analysis uses past data to forecast future outcomes, while prescriptive analysis provides recommendations on the best course of action based on available data. AI plays a crucial role in all these techniques by automating calculations, identifying hidden patterns, and making predictions with high accuracy. One of the biggest advantages of AI in data analysis is its ability to process large volumes of data quickly and accurately. Traditional data analysis methods require significant time and effort to sift through datasets, clean inconsistencies, and identify trends. AI, particularly machine learning algorithms, can perform these tasks in seconds, reducing the workload on analysts and improving efficiency. Machine learning models are designed to learn from data without explicit programming. They recognize patterns, classify information, and make predictions based on previous inputs in a way that is very difficult for normal humans to detect and process. These models are widely used in industries like finance, healthcare, marketing, and logistics to improve decision-making and optimize operations. Another key aspect of AI-driven data analysis is data visualization. Data visualization transforms raw numbers into graphs, charts, and interactive dashboards, making it easier to interpret complex information. AI-powered tools such as Tableau, Power BI, and Google Data Studio provide automated visualizations that highlight key trends and insights. These tools help businesses and researchers make data-driven decisions without needing advanced statistical knowledge. For instance, an AI-powered dashboard can instantly generate sales performance reports, customer behavior insights, and financial forecasts, enabling companies to adapt their strategies in real time. Natural language processing, NLP, is another exciting application of AI in data analysis. NLP allows machines to understand and process human language, making it possible to analyze text data from emails, social media, customer reviews, and reports. AI-driven sentiment analysis, for example, can determine whether customer feedback is positive, negative, or neutral, helping businesses improve their products and services. Similarly, AI can extract key information from unstructured text, summarizing reports and identifying important themes. This ability to analyze qualitative data in addition to numerical data significantly broadens the scope of data analysis. For beginners looking to start with AI-powered data analysis, there are many accessible tools and platforms available. Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel now offer AI-driven features such as automated data insights and predictive analysis. Python libraries like Pandas, scikit-learn, and TensorFlow provide powerful data analysis capabilities for those interested in coding. No-code platforms, such as DataRobot and RapidMiner, enable users to apply machine learning models without programming knowledge. These tools make it easier than ever to leverage AI for data analysis, regardless of technical background. To better understand how AI can assist in data analysis, let's explore some practical AI prompts that you can try. You can execute those examples on any advanced chatbots such as ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or Claude. Data cleaning. Identify and remove duplicate entries in this dataset. AI-powered data cleaning tools, such as OpenRefine or Python's Pandas library, can scan large datasets for duplicate entries, inconsistencies, or missing values. For example, if a company has a customer database where some names appear multiple times due to minor spelling variations, AI can detect these duplicates and merge them into a single, accurate record. This process ensures cleaner, more reliable data for analysis. Trend analysis. Analyze this sales data and highlight any noticeable trends over the past year. AI can examine sales data and identify patterns, such as seasonal fluctuations in demand or increasing interest in specific products. For instance, an e-commerce company might use AI to analyze purchase trends and discover that sales peak during holiday seasons or that a particular category of items is growing in popularity. With this insight, businesses can adjust marketing campaigns or inventory planning accordingly. Predictive analysis. Based on the historical data provided, predict the revenue for the next quarter. AI-driven predictive models use historical data to forecast future outcomes. For example, a retail company might input past revenue figures, advertising spend, and customer engagement data into an AI model, which then predicts revenue for the next quarter. Businesses can use these predictions to allocate budgets, plan marketing strategies, and set realistic financial goals. Sentiment analysis. Analyze customer reviews and categorize them into positive, neutral, and negative sentiments. AI tools like natural language processing can analyze text-based data and determine the sentiment behind customer feedback. A restaurant chain, for example, could use sentiment analysis to categorize thousands of online reviews. If AI detects frequent complaints about slow service, the management can address staffing issues, while consistently positive feedback on a particular dish could be used for promotional marketing. Data visualization. Generate a bar chart showing the top-performing products based on sales figures. AI-powered visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Google Data Studio can transform complex numerical data into easy-to-read graphs and charts. Instead of manually creating reports, AI can instantly generate visual summaries of sales performance, helping decision-makers quickly grasp trends and make informed choices. A retail manager, for instance, could see which products are selling best in different regions, helping optimize stock distribution. Correlation analysis. Find and explain the correlation between advertising spend and sales revenue. AI can analyze datasets to identify relationships between variables. A marketing team might use AI to assess whether increased ad spending leads to higher sales. If the AI detects a strong correlation, the company can invest more in advertising to boost revenue. Conversely, if no significant correlation is found, they might shift their focus to other factors, such as product quality or customer engagement. Market segmentation. Cluster customers into different segments based on their purchase behavior. AI-driven clustering techniques can divide customers into distinct groups based on similarities in purchasing habits, demographics, or preferences. For instance, a subscription-based streaming service might analyze viewing patterns and segment users into categories like action movie enthusiasts, romantic comedy fans, and documentary lovers. This allows for personalized recommendations, improving user experience and customer retention. Anomaly detection. Identify any unusual patterns or outliers in this financial transaction dataset. AI is particularly useful in fraud detection, as it can scan millions of transactions to identify suspicious activity. A bank, for example, might use AI to flag transactions that deviate from a customer's usual spending habits, such as a sudden large withdrawal in another country, allowing for quick intervention to prevent fraud. These examples illustrate how AI simplifies complex data analysis tasks, making insights accessible to businesses, researchers, and individuals. The applications of AI in data analysis are vast and continuously evolving. Businesses use AI to optimize marketing campaigns, predict customer demand, and enhance cybersecurity. Healthcare professionals leverage AI to analyze medical images, detect diseases, and improve patient care. In finance, AI helps detect fraudulent transactions and manage investment portfolios. Governments and policymakers utilize AI-driven analysis to make informed decisions on economic planning, public health, and environmental sustainability. As AI technology advances, its role in data analysis will only become more significant, unlocking new opportunities across all sectors. One common concern about AI and data analysis is data quality. AI models are only as good as the data they are trained on. Poor quality data, containing errors, duplicates, or missing values, can lead to inaccurate predictions and misleading conclusions. Therefore, data cleaning and pre-processing are essential steps before applying AI analysis. AI tools can assist in this process by automatically detecting and correcting inconsistencies, filling in missing values, and standardizing data formats. This ensures that the analysis is based on reliable and consistent information. Despite the benefits of AI, it is important to understand its limitations. AI models rely on past data to make predictions, which means they may struggle with unprecedented situations or incomplete datasets. Additionally, AI algorithms can sometimes produce biased results if the training data is not diverse or representative. This highlights the importance of human oversight in AI-driven data analysis. While AI can automate many aspects of the process, human expertise is still necessary to interpret findings, verify accuracy, and ensure ethical decision-making. Combining AI with human intelligence creates a more effective and reliable approach to data analysis. In conclusion, data analysis is an essential skill in today's data-driven world, and AI is making it easier, faster, and more powerful than ever before. Whether you are a student, a business professional, or just someone curious about data, learning how to use AI for data analysis can provide valuable insights and open new opportunities. By leveraging AI-powered tools, you can uncover patterns, make predictions, and drive smarter decisions with minimal effort. There is a relevant course to the topic. I will leave its link in the details section of this video if you want to enroll. And if you found this introduction helpful, consider subscribing and liking. Also write down for any similar ideas that you like to see. Then watch the next video related to the topic that will appear in front of you soon. See you there.